This session we will solve exercise based on multiplication of a polynomial by another polynomial. If you need any help regarding this topic, you may watch this detailed video. The method remains the same whether we have two or more than two terms in each polynomial. While multiplying, we have to follow the distributive law of multiplication. So each term of the first polynomial will be multiplied by the second polynomial. Here the first term is 2x, so it will be multiplied with the second bracket, and then the second term 5 will also be multiplied by the second bracket. The sign of the term will be written before it while doing this. So here we have 2x into 4x minus 3 plus 5 into 4x minus 3. Further, we will multiply this monomial by each term of the binomial. So plus into plus plus 2x into 4x plus into minus minus 2x into 3, and similarly plus into plus plus 5 into 4x plus into minus minus 5 into 3. Multiplying each pair of monomials, now we get 8x square minus 6x plus 20x minus 15. Are there any like terms? Yes, minus 6x and 20x are like terms, so we will add them, and that gives us plus 14x. As no more like terms are left, this is the final answer. Let's start the next one. Y into the second bracket minus 8 into the second bracket, which further gives us plus into plus plus y into 3y plus into minus minus y into 4 minus into plus minus 8 into 3y and minus into minus plus 8 into 4. Further, this gives us 3y square minus 4y minus 24y plus 32. Again, you have two like terms here. So adding their constant parts, we get 3y square minus 28y plus 32. Now here 2.5L is the first term. So we'll multiply it by the second bracket, and similarly the second term minus 0.5m will also be multiplied by the second bracket. On opening the bracket, 2.5L into 2.5L plus 2.5L into 0.5m minus 0.5m into 2.5L minus 0.5m into 0.5m. Solving further, we get 6.25L square plus 1.25Lm minus 1.25Lm minus 0.25m square. As I have discussed in my previous videos, always write the variable part of each term in alphabetical order. Now these two terms are same but with opposite signs, so they will cancel, and finally we get 6.25L square minus 0.25m square. In the next part, a will be multiplied with the bracket, then plus 3b will be multiplied with the bracket. Now here I want to discuss that you may even do the next step orally without writing this particular step. You can also skip this step after some practice. And we have ax plus 5a plus 3bx plus 15b. No like term, so this is the answer. In the fifth part, 2pq and 3q square will be multiplied by the second bracket one by one, and then we get 2pq into 3pq minus 2pq into 2q square plus 3q square into 3pq minus 3q square into 2q square. Moving on, 6p square q square minus 4pq cube plus 9pq cube minus 6q raised to power 4. Do you find any like terms here? Right, these are like terms. So 9 minus 4 is 5, and so we have 5pq cube on adding them. Sixth part. 3/4 a square into second bracket plus 3b square into second bracket. Now multiply the outer terms with each of the inner terms one by one, and we get this. We can cancel the numerator and denominator because these two terms are being multiplied. We have 3a raised to power 4 minus 2a square b square plus 12a square b square minus 8b raised to power 4. Aren't these like terms? So add them quickly and we have this as the answer. I hope you have had enough practice and you can easily do the second question yourself. Just pause your screen and try it, and if you find any problem, let me know about it. If you have completed, then check these answers. Did you get all correct answers? Well done. The first two questions said multiply the two polynomials given to you. But the third one says simplify. So what's the difference? Basically you will find here some expression which contains product of two polynomials and some more terms with it. So don't worry, you have to follow the same methods which I have discussed. Whenever you are multiplying two brackets, follow this method. So let's start with the first part. You can see here we have a product of two binomials and then there's a term 25 added to it. You know, everybody keeps saying use BODMAS, use BODMAS. BODMAS is even used in algebra. Wherever you find brackets, wherever you find other various operations, you have to use BODMAS. So what should we do according to BODMAS here? Very correct. We will first solve the bracket part, and you all know how to do it. X square will be multiplied with x plus 5 and then minus 5 will be multiplied with x plus 5. While doing all this, just copy the remaining terms which we are not solving. So in the next step, monomials outside the brackets will be multiplied with each term of the bracket. Can you solve this orally? Let's try. X square into x is x cube. Then plus into plus plus. X square into 5 is 5x square. Then minus into plus minus. 5 into x is 5x. Minus into plus minus. 5 into 5 is 25. And we have one more term, plus 25. And you may have observed that minus 25 and plus 25 will cancel. So finally we have a trinomial in the answer. So children, is the method clear to you? Let's solve next one. A square into second bracket plus 5 into second bracket plus 5. Now a square into b cube is a square b cube. Plus into plus plus, a square into 3 is 3a square, and similarly we get the remaining terms. Last two are like terms, so we will be adding them, and so the remaining terms will be copied directly, and we have a square b cube plus 3a square plus 5b cube plus 20. Next part, t into second bracket plus s square into second bracket gives us t into t square t cube minus t into s means st plus s square into t square means s square t square plus into minus minus s square into s means s cube. No like terms here, and this is the final answer. The fourth part is a long chain of products, but don't worry, just break the question into parts and you have to apply the same method in each part. So you can see there are three parts. First and second are products of binomials, whereas the third one is a product of monomial and binomial, and all of you know how to solve them, right? The only thing which you have to keep in mind here is that if the sign before the second part is negative, it has to be multiplied with each term of the first bracket there while writing the terms of the first bracket. But here we have plus sign, so we don't need to worry. A into second bracket plus b into second bracket plus a into second bracket minus b into second bracket plus 2 into this. Next we will multiply the outer term in each part with the inner terms. I am doing it orally and writing directly the answer. So I get AC minus AD plus BC minus BD plus AC plus AD minus BC minus BD. And from the last part, 2AC plus 2BD. Now as we have so many terms, there's a possibility that few of them may be like terms. Let's find out. Did you observe there are 3 terms of AC? So 1 plus 1 plus 2 is 4 and we get 4AC. Minus AD and AD cancel because they are equal and opposite in sign. We have 3 terms of BD. Minus 1 is minus 2 and minus 2 plus 2 is 0. So this term vanishes and hence the final answer is a monomial. Now fifth part, x into second bracket plus y into second bracket plus x into second bracket plus 2y into second bracket. On multiplying the monomials, we get 2x square plus xy plus 2xy plus y square plus x square minus xy plus 2xy minus 2y square. These two terms are like terms and we get 3x square on adding. Xy and minus xy will cancel and adding the two remaining terms of xy we get 4xy. Y square and minus 2y square gives us minus y square. In sixth part, one of the expressions is a trinomial, but the method remains the same. So x into second bracket plus y into second bracket. Now x will be multiplied by each of the 3 terms of the bracket. So we have x into x square, x cube, plus into minus minus, x into xy is x square y, plus into plus plus, x into y square, xy square, plus into plus plus, y into x square y, plus into minus minus, xy square, plus into plus plus, y cube. Minus x square y plus x square y cancel, xy square and minus xy square also cancel, and we are left with x cube plus y cube. In the next part, we have a product followed by 2 terms. So as per BODMAS, we will first open the brackets and we get 1.5x into second bracket minus 4y into second bracket followed by minus 4.5x plus 12y. Children, please keep in mind that never leave any term in any step. Further, we will multiply the monomials by the terms of the bracket. So we have 1.5x into 1.5x equal to 2.25x square. 1.5x into 4y gives 6xy. 1.5x into 3 is 4.5x. Then minus into plus minus. 4y into 1.5x is minus 6xy. Minus into plus minus 16y square minus into plus minus 12y minus 4.5x plus 12y. Only one term of x square, so copy it down. 2 terms of xy which cancel with each other. X terms cancel with each other and even the y terms cancel, and we are left with minus 16y square. Anything not clear, please write in the comment and I will answer you. The last part contains 2 trinomials. So starting in the same way, a into second bracket plus b into second bracket plus c into second bracket. Now multiply the monomials with each term of the bracket, and I think you can easily do it orally. So we get a square plus ab minus ac plus ab plus b square minus bc plus ac plus bc minus c square. Only one term of a square, only one term of b square, only one term of c square. Now ab plus ab is 2ab. AC and minus AC cancel, minus BC and BC also cancel, and we are left with 4 terms only. So this is the final answer. So children, did you enjoy multiplying 2 polynomials? It looks difficult, but if you practice it, you will really find it interesting and easy. So that is all for today. If you have any question or you want a video on any particular topic, then please leave a comment in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Goodbye for now.